Hello, everyone. I'm Alice, and I'm proud to introduce a groundbreaking innovation: the world's first 5DOF FPV drone training rig, developed by IAR Robotics in collaboration with SKY Mission, a leading UK-based drone manufacturer. This training rig is a true game-changer in UAV training and defense readiness. Built with high-grade carbon fiber composite and a durable steel frame, the rig offers a realistic drone flying experience with 5 degrees of freedom, letting learners train safely and efficiently. It's equipped with a 9-axis gyro for real-time flight data, which is displayed on a dedicated handheld data display console. Its large size makes it compatible with 5, 7, and 10-inch drones and FPV systems. But this rig is more than just hardware. It's a complete combat readiness trainer. White heavy checkmark, it enables cost-effective training without risking expensive UAVs. White heavy checkmark, it simulates urban, tactical, and high-altitude scenarios, boosting operational readiness. White heavy checkmark, it enhances FPV skills, sharpens reflexes, and prepares soldiers for reconnaissance, surveillance, and payload drop missions. White heavy checkmark, and with no weather constraints, it supports high-endurance, error-free learning anytime, anywhere. This is not just a product. It's a strategic asset that will strengthen India's drone warfare capabilities through cutting-edge, indigenous technology. For more details or to schedule a demo, contact us at 875-522-2935. We are IAR Aviation and Robotics and Sky Mission, powering the future of flight from Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Thank you.